Hi, let's solve this Math Olympiad question. So we are given to solve 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 5 raised to the power y equal to 10 raised to the power of x. The first thing we do is to write our solution. So we said 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y equal to 10 raised to the power of x. We divide both sides of the equation by 10 raised to the power of x. So here we have divided by 10 raised to the power of x and 10 raised to the power of x. So our equation becomes 2 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of y divided by 10 raised to the power of x equal to 1. Now our equation can also be expressed at the left hand side as 2 raised to the power of x divided by 10 raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y equal to 1. I can express this as 2 divided by 10 all raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y equal to 1. So from the left hand side, our equation can be written as 1 divided by 5 all raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y equal to 1. Now we can write this as 5 raised to the power of negative 1 multiplied by an index of x times 5 raised to the power of y equal to 1. So the equation becomes 5 raised to the power of negative x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y equal to 1. Now I will divide the equation by 5 raised to the power of y. So divide the left hand side by 5 raised to the power of y and divide the right hand side by 5 raised to the power of y. So 5 raised to the power of y cancels out. So our equation becomes 5 raised to the power of negative x equal to 1 divided by 5 raised to the power of y. So we can express our equation as 5 raised to the power of negative x equal to 5 raised to the power of negative y. Thus, the equation now becomes 1 divided by 5 all raised to the power of x equal to 1 divided by 5 all raised to the power of y. Now since the bases are the same, it is true that s is equal to y. So therefore, we can assume that let s be equal to negative 1 and y equal to negative 1. So we have it that this becomes 1 divided by 5 all raised to the power of negative 1 equal to 1 divided by 5 all raised to the power of negative 1. Now let's check if our solution is correct. So we have here that 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y equal to 10 raised to the power of x. From here we can have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of negative 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of negative 1 equal to 10 raised to the power of negative 1. From product power law of indices, we have that a raised to the power of n times b raised to the power of n is equal to a b all raised to the power of n. So I have 2 times 5 all raised to the power of negative 1 is equal to 10 raised to the power of negative 1. 2 times 5 is 10. So here we have 10 raised to the power of negative 1 equal to 10 raised to the power of negative 1. That is our answer. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.